Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, now TikTok, just to name a few of the social platforms followed by a vast majority of online users, most of whom your potential customers. And if you're wondering just how big your pool of store visitors could be, just take the following numbers into consideration. More than 60% of the world's population has already been online, and more than half of our population now uses, you guessed it, social media. If connecting with your customers through social media is your thing, and it should be, you might want to make this visible on your store. With Vitals, it's easy to display the icons of the social networks you're present on in a simple and non-intrusive way. All you need to do is to fill in the links of your social media profiles. We're going with Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. I want the icons to be displayed on the left side of the screen. Now, let's save the settings and activate the app. I already have my store page open, and I'm force refreshing it in order to clear the browser's cache faster. And here they are: Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. If you hover your cursor over them, you'll see them interacting. This is a really easy way to let your visitors know that you're present on the social media platforms of their choice. You should also think about adding these links to your emails, and if you're in the process of building a strong social media presence for your business, you can go one step further and even add the links to your product packaging. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel, as we post new videos every single week. And if we can help with anything else, please let us know. Our customer support team is available 24/7. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.